lovely people, so exciting. Today's with me is my good friend Francesco Montano, bless him. What are we gonna make today? What are we gonna cook, Francesco?
So today we're gonna make a beautiful Malloreddus alla Campidanese, a speciality from Sardinia. The first thing we're gonna do is the fresh pasta dough.
If there is too wet, you can add some more semolina inside. If it's too dry, you can have a little bit more water
As simple
inside.
as that.
Clean all here.
Cover it and let it rest for about half an hour.
Right, now we need to sweat the onion. So we have some lovely olive oil for start. How much olive oil? A couple of tablespoons, as you like. I put them on the 2 tablespoons. Then we will have the onions inside. Beautiful. Oh my goodness me. At this stage now, Francesco, the sausages. Just let's put them all inside. Francesco, come on, bring the wine. Where are you? Now the wine goes inside and give it that sweetness. Keep stirring it. Oh, beautiful. Now we need to put some tomato inside. Let's put it back on the gas. A little bit of salt.
The ragu is slowly cooking. Now we're gonna shape the pasta.
Let's do it.
You can see, look, has relaxed really well. Look at the gluten. Beautiful.
Fantastico. You're doing well.
Here we go.
You're quite good.
And
I love it.
look how simple it is. Press, drag it out, and do everything in your kitchen.
Let's have a look if I can do it. Oh, press the ground. Here it goes. The sugo is ready. Oh my goodness me, look how thick is this sauce.
So good. Delicious.
It is from Sardinia. Oh. The pasta is boiling, the water is boiling. Go, just put them inside.
Gennaro, pasta is ready.
Come on, bring them along. Fantastico. Oh my goodness me, this is gonna taste so good. Give me the spoon. Just pour them inside, you're strong.
Look at that.
Oh my, wow.
All is missing is a little bit of pecorino.
You will have the pleasure to eat the first one.
Oh, thank you, Gennaro.
Now we taste it.
Gennaro, buon appetito.
Bon appetit.
Oh my God.
Put your hands together. Wow, I am cooking so good! Francesco, you've done a beautiful, beautiful place. Such a joy.
This is so good.
Buon appetito.